Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed guide on internal maintenance for your PlayStation 5. Proper maintenance can enhance performance and prolong the life of your console. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a soft brush for dusting, microfiber cloths for cleaning, and thermal paste for reapplication. Make sure you have everything ready before disassembling your console. To begin, power off your PlayStation 5 and unplug all cables. This is crucial for safety. Next, flip the console upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. You will see two small screws on the base. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the cover off the console. You may need to apply a bit of force, but be gentle to avoid any damage. Inside, you'll notice the cooling fan, which is essential for preventing overheating. This is a good time to clean the fan and surrounding areas. Using your soft brush, gently dust off any debris around the fan. If the fan is particularly dirty, you can also use a slightly damp microfiber cloth to wipe it down, ensuring no moisture seeps into the internal components. Remember, regular cleaning can prevent overheating issues. Now, let's talk about the thermal paste. Over time, thermal paste can dry out and lose its effectiveness. If you're comfortable doing this, you can remove the heatsink by unscrewing it. You'll find the GPU underneath. Clean off the old thermal paste with a microfiber cloth and apply a new layer. This step is critical for maintaining optimal cooling performance. If you don't feel confident performing this step, no worries. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Just let us know, and we can help you out. Once you've finished cleaning and applying new thermal paste, it's time to reassemble your console. Place the heatsink back, secure it with screws, and put the cover back on the console. Remember to replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight but do not over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. After reassembly, it's essential to test your PlayStation 5. Plug it back in, turn it on, and listen for any unusual noises. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully completed internal maintenance. If you prefer to avoid the hassle, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. It's easy and convenient, no calls, no travel. Just schedule a time, and we'll handle the rest. Lastly, if any issues arise during your testing, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer a quote before repair so you'll know what to expect before any work is done. Keeping your PlayStation 5 in top condition doesn't have to be complicated. With regular maintenance, you can ensure that your gaming experience remains uninterrupted and enjoyable. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.